Struggling with your kid's cold and cough? Try these 6 effective home remedies. Honey and warm water soothe the throat and ease coughs. Remember, only for kids over 1 year old. Steam inhalation helps clear nasal congestion and ease breathing. Use saline nasal drops to relieve stuffy noses. Warm soup provides hydration and can soothe a sore throat. Elevate your child's head while sleeping to reduce coughing at night. Keep your child hydrated with water, herbal teas, or diluted juices. Try these remedies to help your kid feel better. Subscribe for more tips on child health and wellness.